Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 24th February 2024. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs, which is investigating Zee Entertainment Enterprises Ltd. over alleged corporate governance violations, has written to the Securities and Exchange Board of India seeking details on its latest findings on fund diversion that have been cited in media reports. The ministry's preliminary probe had found appropriation of Zee's fixed deposits by Yes Bank for squaring off loans of related parties of Essel Group. Zee Enterprises Ltd. is part of the Essel Group promoted by Subhash Chandra and his family. Lenders to go first may ask bidders in the resolution process for the airline to improve their offers in order to maximize recoveries. The lenders may opt for liquidation if the bids aren't good enough. The only two bids for the airline were opened Friday, and resolution professional Shailendra Ajmera will now check if they are compliant with the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Central Bank of India and Bank of Baroda are the main lenders to the grounded carrier. The resolution professional has admitted claims of Rs 7,040 crore, out of which Rs 4,257 crore is from financial creditors led by Central Bank of India. Adani Airports is in advanced talks with Hong Kong-based Plaza Premium Group to enter into a joint venture to run its airport lounges across the country. If it fructifies, the partnership will mark the re-entry of the airport hospitality services giant into India. Plaza Premium Group used to once operate majority of India's premium airport lounges, but it could not continue its services due to security clearance issues. The Competition Commission of India, or CCI, has notified the Lesser Penalty Regulations 2024. Under these regulations, the CCI may impose a lesser penalty than that leviable under the Act. The norms prescribe the conditions for a lesser penalty and the detailed procedure for grant of a lesser penalty. Further, the norms specify the information that needs to be kept confidential, provisions with respect to inspection and obtaining certified copies of documents. Also, the contents of the application for a lesser penalty are mentioned in the schedules. Indian banks are facing a hidden threat in their unsecured credit portfolios, with banks like IndusInd Bank, Bandhan Bank and Yes Bank showing signs of stress. Despite strong earnings and reduced bad loans, the increase in unsecured loans could lead to a rise in bad loans in the future. The RBI has taken measures to control this, including increasing risk weights for unsecured loans. However, these loans can be highly profitable if done with proper underwriting, even though deposit growth in Indian banks lags behind credit growth. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.